How to fix Telegram blocked contact issue. Having trouble unblocking someone on Telegram or seeing them in your block list? Let's fix that first. Start by going to settings of Telegram. Here, you can view and unblock anyone you have blocked. If someone is not appearing in your chat list at all, search for them using their username and check if their messages are restricted. If you still can't unblock, update the Telegram app. It could be a version glitch. On Telegram web or desktop, the blocked users list sync with your mobile app, so changes should reflect instantly. If not, try logging out and back in. If you have blocked someone and they have changed their username or deleted their account, you may not see them in your blocked list anymore. Have you ever blocked someone by mistake? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.